so hard to get you out my head, but I can't stop my thinking the words that you have said. You told me that you loved me, how could I forget? Now it's spinning around inside my head. So I hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch. Yeah, I hold on till the morning comes. Promise that you'll be in my arms. Throw another log on, is what she said to me. Just because the stars out doesn't mean we need to sleep. So I wrote her a love song to show her how I feel, to tell her she is all I ever need. So I hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch. Yeah, I hold on till the morning comes. Promise that you'll be in my arms.
Was it written in the stars? I don't know, but this I'm sure. You're a tattoo on my heart. Sometimes the things we love still hurt us, and I know it feels like defying gravity, but this love still feels like flying home to me. And if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit? And if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head, and baby come down. It's obvious how my whole world revolves around you. So if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit?
All the things we used to do, like holding hands under the moonlight, not give up on us too soon. Good things take work, it's a universal truth. And I know my mind can't be light years away from you, but your love still brings me down to earth. It's just what you do.
And if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit? And if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head,
Up in the clouds,
baby come down. It's obvious how my whole world revolves around you. So if we need space, then why can't I stay out your orbit? And why do we keep going round and
why don't we
don't wanna come down and
down?
we keep going round and round. Wanna come down, come down. So if we need space, why can't I stay out your orbit? Think of all the times we lay looking out at the stars. Nervous of the way you make me feel. You're setting fire to my heart. Before you were was that? I don't recognize now I'm looking back. How I adore you, it can't be matched, no. All my love, all my love, I have only love for you. More than enough, more than enough. The simple way we move through this day, this life, this madness. You're the constant and the cause for all my love, all my love. I have only love for you. We're all in over head and heart, but tell me who could have known? Oh, honestly, I never thought we'd meet and fall and land into this truth. Oh, before you, oh, what was that? I don't recognize now I'm looking back. How I adore you, it can't be matched, no. Ooh. Oh my love, oh my love, I have only love for you. More than enough, more than enough. This simple way we move through this day, this life, this madness. You're the constant and the cause for all my love, all my love. I have only love for you. Only love, only love. Only love, only love. I fell in love with a boy in his 20s. They said we were young, they might have been right. If I am honest, I would change nothing. It's that day I saw the rest of my life. You making me laugh, me making you cry, putting our love in the songs that I write. These are the moments I don't wanna miss. I could get used to this. I fell in love with a man in his 40s. You still make me laugh, I still make you cry. Hell and high water, we didn't go under. Got life figured out, at least some of the time. You do the cooking, I do the dishes. We fall asleep watching whatever show we're binging. These are the moments I don't wanna miss. I could get used to this. I fell in love with a man in his 80s. Each line familiar, that's fame in your face. Our hair's a bit grayer, our knees a bit weaker. I wouldn't trade any step that we take through sickness and health, till death do us part. Forever seems like a great place to start. For a whole new adventure I don't wanna miss. Oh, I could get used to. I could get used to this. cold outside, rain is falling. Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. Half asleep, I'll kiss your cheek, dear. Upset you have to leave again. Why not just lay here a little longer? I got no place, I need to go. You know I think of you all day, dear. You're in my heart, just so you know. Wherever you go, wherever you've been, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be. Can't see where you're going, I'll be the torch that lights the way. And if tomorrow you don't remember, I'll tell you stories from yesterday. You don't feel safe, and darling, I'll hold you. I will keep you warm at night, 'cause I know many moons from right now. Oh, I'll still be holding you so tight. Wherever you go, wherever you've been, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be. Oh, wherever you go, wherever you've been, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be. Wherever you've been, oh, 'cause baby, forever and always, beside you I'll be. Oh, no, beside you I'll be,
Gotta be honest, gotta be real, 'cause I can't deny it, the way that you feel. I tried to be single, but that didn't last. When I met you, I just knew there was no looking back. Met her in the city, she was pretty cool too. Friend of a friend, so that's pretty good news. Homie spinning downtown, saw her dance moves. Had a good night, karaoke taboo. She live out in New York, I'm like, that's cool. Here for a good time, how about you? She said yes, amen, and she came through. When it pours and it rains, it was love was my thing. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. Tell you I love you, but these girls on the side, and I still wanna hold you, but I can't decide, 'cause I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. You know that I want you, but I still need to fly, baby, I can't help it, I'm a Gemini, yeah. Toxic, baby, I'm a toxic man. You don't wanna go through this again. I know you're just trying to save me, that's the thing, I'm not no angel, baby. box me in. Give me my space, I need oxygen. Make it hard to love me lately. So baby girl, gotta be honest, gotta be real. Cause I can't deny it, the way that you feel. I tried to be single, but that didn't last. When I met you, I just knew there was no looking back. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. Tell you I love you, but there's girls on the side, and I still wanna hold you, but I can't decide. Girl, I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. You know that I want you, but I still need to fly, baby. I can't help it. I'm a Gemini, yeah. Baby, how's the weather tonight? I hear Arizona's pretty. I guess I'm not surprised that I'm not showing up in your mind. I'm trying to stay busy, I can't get you off mine. And I'm afraid you'll say you're happier where you are, and you really don't mind being apart. When you're far away, is it weighing on your heart? I know it treats you well, but I can't love you more than Arizona, Arizona. Let me show you that I can love you more than Arizona, Arizona. Let me show you that I can love you more than blue sky, paradise, Fiji on us. But girl, I see kiss you better than the sun, but you with every touch, yeah. I make you feel the fever, whoa. And I'm afraid you'll say you're happier where you are. I know it treats you well, but I can't love you more than Arizona, Arizona. Let me show you that I can love you more than Arizona, Arizona. Let me show you that I can love you more than blue sky, paradise, Fiji on ice. But girl, I see blue sky, paradise, Fiji on ice. I can't love you more than Arizona, Arizona. Let me show you that I can love you more than Arizona, Arizona. Let me show you that I can love you more than.
I've been out looking at places for some love, but everywhere I look, it points me back to you. Don't you say we got too crazy? A little mischief makes fun. You told me I was your favorite book. Was it true? Those good old days are worth looking back. There's one thing on my mind. In those times you call me baby, in those hours you said you loved me. Was it all fake love? 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 I remember those eyes, they spark like the stars. Look into them and they spell out a different girl. Baby, tell me, was it all real? Or tell me, in those times you call me baby, in those hours you said you loved me, was it all fake love? Was it all fake love? Was it all fake love? Was it all fake love?
train. You were so familiar, but you're not the same as all the other drifters who have lost their way. You remind me of a love that never changes. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Turn my head round and make you smile back at me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Tell you that there is nothing that's out of reach. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. While you find your footsteps and I breathe again, there's a new connection that's just always where love was all that mattered, and you were young and free. I'm all to you as you are all to me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Turn my head round and make you smile back at me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Tell you that there is nothing that's out of reach. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time.
Time. 2, 3, let me see what you see. I just wanna understand what you see in me. And 4, 5, 6, am I complicating it? How could anybody love someone so damaged? And we don't always add up, but somehow we're always enough. 7, 8, 9, 10, baby, here we go again. If this is just a fraction of what lies ahead, then count me in, 'cause you know I'm loving this, I'm loving this. You make me feel even though I'm odd. Subtract what's left and carry my heart. Believe in what we got. Pay no attention what you've been taught. You plus love plus me. 1 plus 1 makes 3. How can this be? You and me make a prime number. I see that smirk, guess you better check my work, 'cause the way you got me feeling is a little bit blurred. So leaning close, nobody needs to know. Baby, they're all square and I have got them curves. Oh, we don't always add up, no, but somehow we're always enough. You make me feel even though I'm odd. Subtract what's left and carry my heart. Believe in what we got. Pay no attention
to my feelings and call it a lesson learned. Hate to kill the mood, but I'm just not like you. So long, goodbye. I think it's about time that I let you know that I feel like the sum of these numbers isn't adding up, yeah. If I don't ever let you go, I know that I will be so miserable. This is gonna hurt, but it's not gonna work. Listen to my feelings and call it a lesson learned. Hate to kill the mood, but I'm just not like you. I know you're gonna break, but I have to walk away. It's nothing personal, I just don't feel the same. Oh, it sounds so wrong, but I'm just not like you. I'm good on my own. I figured out a way to feel comfortable alone, all alone. And I wish I didn't make you so emotional, 'cause every day is like a hurricane trying to please you. Would you blame me if I try to walk away? 'Cause I don't need you no more. I just don't need you no more. This is gonna hurt, but it's not gonna work. Listen to my feelings and call it a lesson learned. Hate to kill the mood, I'm just not like you. I know you're gonna break, but I have to walk away. It's nothing personal, I just don't feel the same. Oh, it sounds so wrong. I'm just not like you. I'm just not like you no more.
Sometimes winning's losing fast and moving past who is right and who is wrong. And sometimes leaving's all I've got, even when I know it's not. 'Cause our love is too strong for that kind of talk to be more than a thought. If you were the stars and if I was the sky, I'd be jealous just to see you feel another's lonely night. So I'm sending you a message through a broken satellite. I love you, I love you, I love you. Sundown to sunrise, sundown to sunrise. Sometimes we both need our space, and it's the only way to feel the pull of you and me. And it took our whole world going black, oh, and fading fast, just to finally see that all that we have is all that we need. If you were the stars and if I was the sky, I'd be jealous just to see you feel another's lonely night. So I'm sending you a message through a broken satellite. I love you, I love you, I love you. Sundown to sunrise, sundown to sunrise. It was all